Hi folks, today I'd like to introduce you my new purchased watches. It is one of the latest innovation into time design. My new binary split screen watches are made from the light emitting diode, binary watch, and the best materials available for watch manufacturing. Watches have mineral crystals and they are water resistant too. The straps is created from the PU, and right now I'd like to focus how I unpack my watches of the split screen 202 R5, free shipping within Europe directly through the web page. This is my package, so I have prepared the just delivery package and the open a knife, and slowly I'm so excited that I'd like to see what is directly inside. I hope so that this is my package with the binary watch. Slowly and surely I'd like to unpack and go through the paper. So the packing is really great, and oops, what is inside? Yes, over here is the small box, and slowly I'd like to have a look on it, and it's so exciting that my hand is a little bit shake. And okay, so my binary watches from the company, the one are here. Really nice package. So slowly I try to open it, and yes, oh, sorry, I destroyed paper, but okay, I'd like to catch my watches. So hopefully, yeah, really nice box, stainless steel box. Okay, great. So have a look what is directly inside. Looks good, and wow, nice, perfect, same like as mentioned it on the website. So high quality of the stainless steel and PU strap. Okay, so slowly I'd like to have a look how it work, and the company logo, okay, the one, great, and nice detail of the new binary watches. I'd like to have a look from inside. So the straps is going really well, really good quality, I can tell you, and looks really nice. What is the exact time? We can have a look, but first of all we will have a look around. Yep, really good quality. So what is time? So simply pressing the key, we can really easy to count on the left hand side what is the hours, on the right hand side it's the minutes. So if you will count, you see that is 12:51. Great, really easy to learn, really easy to count. I like it so much, and how it's suitable on my hand, perfect, I like it so much. Okay, and right now it's suitable to wear, and it's easy to see again what is the new time, 12:52. Great, let's start to work and enjoying the day with new watches, with binary watches from the company The One. Thank you very much. Bye bye, Vladimir.